noticing your hair loss?
Probably 5-6 years ago.
A little bit of confidence level goes down. He's got a very young, vibrant personality. A little nervous, but excited. I think it's more
comfort when I came into here and confidence that if I was going to spend this kind of money.
Well, I think a lot of it's self-confidence. It's just nice to see him just not even think.
Just go to one place if you're looking. I looked at 3 alone. I did my homework on the internet. I wouldn't just sign up the first place I went.
Losing my hair when I was in my mid-20s and general interaction with people. When I noticed that they noticed my hair loss. The way Dr. Bolton does the procedure is significantly different in its structure than many of these changes that would just progress. I felt good about it, and I saw the previous work that you've done with other clients, and it really impressed me. And for the reason that you're the only patient here. It was pleasant. It was more pleasant than I thought it was. It went faster than I thought it would. Overall, a nice experience. The staff is amazing. I caught her doing that. It's like, why are you staring at? It's like, there's something about you. I just cannot tell what it is. And then finally, the bell rang. She's like, I know you got hair again. But it took her like 10 minutes. So I could call Josh up anytime and ask questions on the cell phone, and just asking Dr. Bolton is just a different story because you really get a thorough answer and you feel that he takes pride in what he does, and that's is a huge difference.
All right, Aldo, so what are you trying to accomplish today?
Turn back the clock.
First side I created for you, I created a little bit of a higher recession. The hair in the back of the head here is genetically pre-programmed.
You're ready to go?
Yeah, ready?
All right, well, let's get this party started.
Absolutely.
So Aldo, you're looking good, you're drinking Coke. How you feeling right now?
Great.
So Aldo, on a scale from 1 to 10, 10 being the best, what would you rate your experience today?
I feel 10, honestly. I will not recommend anybody else except Dr. Bolton. He's the only doctor who make it possible, who told me, yes, I can do something.
Fantastic.
Excellent.
Beyond expectation.
Beyond expectation. Excellent. Congratulations, man.
Thank you.
I wish you the best.
Thank you to all of you. There's only one answer, Dr. Bolton. That's it.
Well, I started losing my hair around 18 years old. I started getting in the back, it started fading out, and I just didn't like it. My appearance was faded. Well, I chose Dr. Bolton because I always heard he was the best. I watched his videos, I saw his website, I saw proof that it was amazing. I saw it in real life that it was amazing. My hairstylist looked amazing. Aspects about it, there was always good, positive thinking, and 4 months paid tens of thousands of more dollars for this procedure.
If you would have known what it did for you in advance, right?
I would have paid so much more. It was quick, in and out, 4 hours, went home, didn't have much pain. Oh, my results are just hands down amazing. I can't even tell. I would tell anybody the first day they came in here, pay the money and do it. Promise you will not lose a dime. But just listen to all the directions. This changes my life by a lot. I think I have a ton more confidence. I had confidence before, but I think he's amazing. I think what he does is art, and it's crazy. This one lady, one of my friend's sister's a hairstylist, and she's like, oh, let me look in your head. I was like, okay. She looks in, I'm like, try to find it. You won't even find it if you finally give me $5.
Yeah.
She couldn't find it. She couldn't find it. And she's like, no way, this is ridiculous. And I was like, yeah.
That's
she was a hairstylist. She's never seen this before. Dr. Bolton, thank you so much for giving my hair back after 4 months, and I can't wait to see a year. Thank you.